What if your smartphone, your apps, and even your operating system all became completely obsolete within the next 5 years? Not upgraded, not updated, gone. And according to Elon Musk, that future is closer than most people realize. During a recent podcast appearance, Elon Musk made a bold and genuinely stunning prediction. Within just 5 to 6 years, he believes smartphones and traditional operating systems as we know them today will be entirely replaced by something fundamentally different. He's not talking about a better iPhone or a faster Android. He's talking about the complete elimination of the smartphone era itself, replaced by AI-powered edge devices that operate on an entirely new kind of computing logic. So what does that actually look like? According to Musk's vision, future personal devices will consist of almost nothing but minimal hardware, essentially just a screen and audio components, stripped of the processing power and complex software we rely on today. Here is where it gets truly fascinating. All the intelligence, all the computing power, all the decision-making will live not in your device, but in powerful cloud-based AI systems, running continuously in the background, invisibly and automatically. These AI systems won't wait for you to open an app or type a search query. They will anticipate what you need before you even consciously realize you need it, delivering relevant content, responses, and assistance in real time. Think about that for a moment. No more opening Google, no more scrolling through apps, no more home screens, notification bars, or operating system updates. Just seamless, intelligent, predictive assistance flowing to a simple screen in your hand. Musk believes this shift will completely eliminate standalone apps and traditional operating systems entirely, ushering in what he calls an era of predictive, context-aware computing that responds to your life rather than waiting for your commands. Now, is this realistic within 5 to 6 years? The technology behind edge computing and cloud AI is already advancing at extraordinary speed, and companies across Silicon Valley and beyond are already racing toward exactly this kind of seamless, anticipatory AI integration. Whether Musk's timeline proves accurate or not, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The smartphone era, which completely transformed human civilization just 15 years ago, may itself be approaching its own historic end. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think smartphones will really disappear within 5 years? Like this video, subscribe to SciVault, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.